Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived an energetic rabbit named Ruby and a wise old tortoise named Thomas. Ruby was always hopping and leaping around, boasting about her incredible speed. "I'm the fastest creature in this forest. No one can outrun me," she exclaimed proudly. Thomas, on the other hand, was slow, but he moved with determination and a steady pace. One sunny morning, while Ruby was showing off her sprinting skills, Thomas decided to challenge her to a race. "Let's see if you're as fast as you claim," Thomas said with a gentle smile. Ruby, confident as ever, giggled and said, "Oh, Thomas, you really want to race me? You'll lose." But Thomas was calm and just nodded. The forest animals gathered to watch the exciting race. The owl, wise and fair, marked the starting line under the shade of a giant oak tree. "The finish line is at the other side of the meadow," he hooted. "On your marks, get set, go." Ruby took off like a bolt of lightning and quickly vanished from sight, while Thomas embarked on his slow but steady journey. After gaining a huge lead, Ruby looked back and laughed. "Thomas is so far behind. I'll take a little nap." She nestled under a bush and dozed off. Meanwhile, Thomas kept moving step by step without stopping. Hours passed, and when Ruby woke up, she was startled to see the sun beginning to set. She jumped up in a panic and dashed towards the finish line with all her might. But it was too late. The animals cheered as they saw Thomas, with his patient stride, crossing the line just ahead of Ruby. Ruby was shocked. "How can this be?" she gasped. Thomas just smiled and said, "Slow and steady wins the race, Ruby." The bunny learned an important lesson that day. It's not always about how fast you can go, but staying focused, determined, and not underestimating others can lead you to success. From then on, Ruby remembered the race with Thomas every time she felt the need to boast and started practicing patience and persistence. As for Thomas, he enjoyed telling the story of the race and cherished the newfound friendship with Ruby.